Stash Invest Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Stash are in the description if you want to check it out. Stash is a beginner-friendly robo-advisor and investment platform designed for those who want to start investing with small amounts and need guidance along the way. Unlike traditional robo-advisors, Stash combines automated investing with the ability to manually pick stocks and ETFs, making it a flexible option for hands-off and hands-on investors alike. One of its key features is the Stash Smart Portfolio, which automatically invests your money in a diversified mix of ETFs based on your risk level. Stash also allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks with as little as $5. Additionally, the platform integrates banking services, offering a Stash debit card that lets you earn stock rewards when you spend. Another major advantage is Stash's educational content, which is built into the app to help beginners understand investing basics. The platform is ideal for new investors, those who prefer a mix of automation and personal choice, and people looking for a simple all-in-one finance app. However, there are some downsides. Unlike some robo-advisors, Stash does not offer automatic tax loss harvesting, which can be a drawback for more advanced investors. Additionally, while the subscription pricing model, starting at $3 per month, may be appealing to some, it can be more expensive than competitors that charge a percentage-based fee for larger account balances. Another limitation is that Stash only provides one trading window per day for basic users, meaning you can't execute real-time trades. Overall, Stash is a great platform for beginners who want a simple way to start investing while also learning about the market. It's especially useful for those who like the idea of earning stock rewards through everyday spending. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Stash and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing reviews.